Today we're talking about how to make legit money working from your phone. So I want you to picture yourself ditching your 9 to 5 grind, or literally picture yourself turning your own passions into a literal stream of income flowing to you daily. You never know the success you may have brewing inside of you. So how do we do this? Two ways. But first, welcome back. I'm Cami. I am your midlife BFF, teaching you how to make passive income online with digital products. Even if you are a beginner, even if you have no tech skills. Two ways. Number one, if you are a beginner, we are talking about the easiest way to start, and that is by utilizing done-for-you digital products. Let's be honest, most of us don't have a digital product when we start, or the know-how to actually launch that product and get it for sale. So what are these done-for-you digital products? We are talking about ebooks, guides, PDFs, checklists, courses, programs, things that you can put online and you set them up once and then you sell them over and over. That's the beauty of digital products. You set them up one time and you can literally link to them over and over and have sales running all the time. When we talk about done-for-you products, this isn't a new thing. It's much like Amazon. Amazon sells other people's products. Best Buy stocks items that they did not create. Car dealerships offer cars that they didn't manufacture. These businesses thrive on offering high-quality products that they did not originate. Likewise, the digital space offers the legit and lucrative business pathway for those of us who may lack the extensive knowledge or tech skills, or simply don't have a product to sell from the get-go. Take my story, for example. I was in a place where I wanted to sell digital products, but I had no idea how to even get started. I had no idea how to manage the tech side of things. I had no idea how to take money. I had no idea how to even put it for sale. Do they Venmo me? What do they do? How do I get the money? How do I send it to them? How do I get their email? How do I make it flow seamlessly like all of these people do who are selling digital products? That not knowing how to begin was an immense setback for me. It was an immense block. So how did I get from going from that uncertainty to now having a business online where I have software that I understand, where I can send out mass emails, where I can create websites, I can create email campaigns, I can create digital products, I can create a course. How did I get there? I'll tell you how, and you can do this too. I purchased a done-for-you digital product that taught me how to start selling, and bonus, it gave me the digital products to sell right away. I got 4 income streams right off the bat. I could sell 4 different products right off the bat. And the cool thing is, if you have a job, you can still make money doing your job while you're under the radar, setting up this awesome way that is going to bring you money in the future so you can eventually quit this job or quit working for someone else and spend more time working for you and making 100% of the money that you make and keeping it. Trust me, with the right approach, you can transform these products to sell into a reliable source of income, even with limited expertise. So let's talk about why these done-for-you digital products are a game changer. 5 things. Number 1, you don't have to create it. You don't have to take the time figuring out how to create it, how to learn what to create, figuring out how to create it, how to sell it, which liberates you and allows you to focus on what really matters. And the reason we all start a business, and that is to make money. Number 2, you have a quick tech setup. You just connect it. You connect your payment links so that you can take money. Number 3, automations. Now, automations are what takes the buyer from clicking on your link, putting in their credit card information, buying it, having it delivered to them with a thank you and a receipt, and it's all done and it runs seamlessly. Those automations are ready to go. You don't have to set them up. That can be really confusing for people. You don't even have to set them up. Number 4 is the 2-hour-a-day work plan. You are taught how to spend your work day. So if you have another job, or if you have something else that you're doing that you are bringing income over here, this allows you to have a plan to take 2 hours out of your day and do income producing activities. This is exactly what you do. This is how you're going to spend your time, get it done. And that's how you can fit it into the nooks and crannies of your life. And number 5, and I believe this is the biggest thing, and that is you get coaching, strategic coaching that comes with strategies, that comes with tips and helps on how to keep your mindset right, how to keep focused and strategic in creating this business. You can't make a delicious meal without a recipe. Okay, some people can, I can't. Just like you can't create a beautiful digital business without a strategy. Okay, some people can, but I can't. This is for those of us who don't know how. So, wow, that could be your entire business, just selling done-for-you products. And a lot of people are doing that, replacing their yearly salaries, literally making doctor money, doing just that. But so what lies beyond that? What lies beyond the digital done-for-you product? Well, this is where you get to shine. As you gain experience and financial stability with these done-for-you digital products, consider expanding by developing your own products around your own passions, around the gifts and talents that you have, the things that you are very, very interested in, that you know a lot about, or that you love. Creating something that truly reflects who you are brings unparalleled satisfaction, and it establishes you as an authority. This is an avenue where you can let your light shine. Share your sparkle with the world. What is it about you? What is your divine gift? What are you good at? What do you want to share? What does the world need from you? Just think about that. We all have divine gifts. And imagine the freedom of working from anywhere you happen to be, anywhere that has Wi-Fi, even just from home, your back patio, the beach, wherever. I'm telling you, the digital product space is the key to living your life how you truly want to. So let's recap. You can make legit money from your phone. You can start with products that are already done for you and then scale later. You have limitless potential available to you. So maybe consider, this might be your time to shine. This might be your time to start something new and start fresh. Step into the digital space that allows a beautiful passive income. You could get started today, get everything connected, and start selling in 2 days. You could literally become the architect of your own destiny. And it's not just about making money, but it's about living the life that you want. I am going to link a video here that talks about Dale, and you can hear Dale's experience. He was a big skeptic. Take a look at that, and I will see you in the next video.